overly due na talaga ito. Kasi think 8 to 10 years ago pa siya naka-PPF. At the end of the day, may paraan para maayos siya. Di ba pare, walang uuwi hanggang di tapos? Goal lang talaga natin is to safely remove the old PPF, yung expired na paint protection film, and then restore the paint of the car. Yun yung goal namin here at Wash Authority. So, we're constantly talaga trying to improve. Ito, marireveal na natin yung paint niya underneath. So, brother, guys, magandang na araw sa inyo lahat. Welcome back sa Wash Authority. And for today, binisita tayo ng sasakyan ni Iron Man, pare. So guys, this is an Audi R8. Not sure kung anong year model to, pero comment down below guys para malaman natin kung anong specific year model ito. So, eto guys, kung napapansin nyo, it's a very challenging task for us kasi this Audi R8, guys, 8 years ago, I think 8 to 10 years ago pa siya naka-PPF. Siguro yung mga 8 to 10 years na yun, pare, yun yung lifetime ni Wash Authority eh. And guys, during that time, if I am not mistaken, ang mga paint protection film, rated pa lang sila ng 3 to 5 years. So, overly due na talaga ito. Si Sir, nag-inquire sa atin, and then gusto niyang ipa-black paint protection film, and then sinabi nga niya na may old PPF siya. Una, tinatry namin or tinitingnan namin if pwedeng patungan na lang yung old PPF. However, medyo para kasing pangit eh. Para kasing pangit kasi tinesting namin, nakita namin yung mga old cuts, magmamark kasi yon. And of course, yung PPF kasi na luma, meron na mga imperfections yon. Kapag pinatong natin yung bagong black paint protection film, medyo pangit kasi yung kakalabasan. And of course, parang, alam nyo yun, parang shinorcut, tas minadali, tinipid. Eh, dito kasi, 'di ba? As much as possible, gagawin natin yung pinaka-best. Yun yung gusto ko din kasi na output talaga para sa lahat. Right now, ayan, nakikita nyo, ito yung katumbas ng buhos sa construction sa amin. So guys, tinatanggal namin yung old PPF. Medyo, I could say, disintegrated na talaga siya. Kung nakikita nyo, medyo parang nadudurog siya and everything. We're gonna be okay. Guys, we're using plastic scrapers. Ang maganda with PPF, and I think this is a really good example na mapapakita natin na kahit expired na yung PPF, as long as original yung color ng car or original paint yung car, kaya natin siyang sagipin and kaya nating i-transform, guys. So, right now, guys, ang gagawin lang natin, re-remove lang natin to, tsatsagain talaga natin to, guys. Tsatsagain talaga natin itong tanggalin. After nun, we're gonna be conducting exterior detailing. So, tatanggalin natin mga naiwan na adhesive, and of course, kung may residue pa yung film, tatanggalin natin yon. And then, we're gonna polish the car. We're gonna conduct decontamination. Tatanggalin lahat ng adhesive again. And then, from there, guys, doon pa lang tayo magpo-proceed with our paint protection film installation. Tara, pare, ikot tayo. Interview tayo, pare. Mike, dito na naman tayong dalawa.
Oo, tago na lang meron price interview.
Boss! Ikaw na naman!
Anyway, Mike, syempre, wala, ikaw lagi na si Chempon ko, yung isang foreman natin, wala eh. Okay, Mike, tinatanggal mo right now. Kasi di ba tinanong ko sa'yo kanina to, di ba natin magagasgasan yung paint? Anong sagot?
Hindi naman sir kasi naiiwan naman yung adhesive niya. Kaya naproprotektahan din yung pag-agod mo sa pintura.
Guys, if you can notice kasi sa ginagawa ni Mike, plastic scraper lang siya. So, ang ginagawa namin, iniinit namin yung paint protection film para mas lumambot siya. And then, doon namin siya start i-scrape para madali siyang tanggalin. Ngayon, yung nakikita nyo na puti-puti, yun na lang yung mga adhesive niya. Which means na hindi tayo tumatama sa pinaka-pintura ng sasakyan. Ayun, para nag-enjoy ako sa mga ganito, at least naiintindihan ng mga nanonood sa atin na kung ano yung nangyayari with the PPF and how it can really protect your car, di ba? Na at the end of the day, may paraan para maayos siya. Guys, eto, so ang mangyayari dyan, hindi naman tumatama sa pinaka-clear coat ng car. Tinatanggal lang natin talaga yung pinaka-film. So may adhesive pa siya na extra layer ng protection. So after nito, ang gagawin natin, lilinisin na natin siya through chemical cleaning. So lilinisin na natin yung adhesive niya. So after nalinis yung adhesive niya, so okay na, tanggal yung PPF. Detailing na tayo nun. Lilinisin na natin. So guys, nag-usap kaming lahat. Di ba pare, walang uuwi hanggat di tapos. Papapansit ako, pero walang uuwi hanggat di tapos. Di ba? Best boss ever.
Aray ko!
Sisikapin talaga namin na kung anong kakayanin namin for today kasi medyo matagal to. Ang goal lang talaga natin is to safely remove the old PPF, yung expired na paint protection film, and then restore the paint of the car. Yun muna tayo. After that, doon tayo mag-i-install ng black paint protection film. And guys, note ko lang, di ba napansin nyo carbon to? Guys, we also have an available here at Wash Authority na carbon paint protection film. So this one, papalitan namin ng bago guys. Overall guys, watch out. Napakagandang transformation nito, pare. Ito yung isa sa mga memorable projects na gagawin namin here at Wash Authority. And isasama namin kayo sa biyahe namin na to. Kasi dito, marami kaming matutulong sa mga clients and of course sa mga shops din, no? Hopefully makatulong kami sa mga tips, tricks, and everything. And guys, isa rin to sa mga, I can say, gusto ko na ipaintindi sa mga clients na very important yung detailing shop na pagpapagawa nyo ng PPF kasi after sale support para sa akin is very important, no? Kaya lahat po ng client ng Wash Authority know na nandito kami para sa inyo. Throughout the lifetime ng PPF, tutulungan namin kayo. We will protect it. Sama tayo sa car ownership journey nyo, no? Yun lang guys, stay tuned. Ayusin muna natin to. So guys, explain ko lang din or i-realize ko lang din sa inyo na way back before, no, kung 8 years ago to, 2025 ngayon, that was 2017, 2018. So, way back those years, ang PPF, di ba, rated siya 3 to 5 years kasi usually nag-start kami ng PPF mga 2020s na eh. No, rated talaga sila 3 to 5 years, depende sa quality ng PPF. But PPF is continuously evolving, guys. Para siyang tulad ng ibang products, tinatry nilang isolve lahat ng nakikita nilang weakness ng product para mas mag-benefit din yung mga clients, yung mga customers. And guys, kung dati 3 to 5 years, ngayon we have our latest technology, the polycarbonate paint protection film with 10 mil thickness, guys, no? And rated siya ng 12 years and beyond, guys. 12 years and beyond. Kumbaga, here at Wash Authority, we're just trying to be conservative lang talaga with the 12 years, no? Kasi, of course, meron pa rin wear and tear. Whether we like it or not, produkto pa rin yan. Gawang tao pa rin yan, no? So, wala pa rin talagang invincible na product. So, guys, kung this one is rated to 3 to 5 years, yung mga nakapaliban na, for example, this Alphard, this one is installed with our polycarbonate paint protection film na. Polycarbonate paint protection film, high impact resistance na siya. And of course, guys, sinasolve din niya yung mga yellowing na challenges ng PPF, no? Yung mga TPH, yung mga challenges ng mga sinaunang paint protection film, ito ini-improve nila. Polycarbonate, kung maiisip natin, marami siyang industrial applications. Usually, nakikita natin siya sa mga construction materials, mga roofing, di ba? So, in-apply nila dito. Imagine nyo, guys, yung bubong, yun, nakabilad yun everyday, di ba? Everyday, pero tumatagal pa din. How about kaya yung technology yun, nilagay nila sa PPF, na yung sasakyan, hindi naman everyday nabibilad, di ba? I mean, yung sometimes may garahe tayo, sometimes sa mall, pag nagbiyahe tayo, may shade naman tayo. Pero guys, yung PPF na nakalagay is very durable na. And guys, again, it's 10 mil thickness and it also has heat-activated healing din. Pag nakita kasi ng client dito sa experience namin sa Wash Authority, pinapakita namin yung difference niya because we also have our regular TPUs. Of course, high-quality TPUs pa rin yun. But this one kasi is very exceptional kasi bagong technology siya, guys. So, for example, hindi lang tong Alphard na to yung nag-change from our regular TPUs, our Pro Shield Plus Elite na nag-upgrade siya sa polycarbonate. Also, itong mga BYDs natin dito, guys. So, we also have a BYD Shark installed with our polycarbonate PPF and this BYD Sea Lion 6 also installed with our polycarbonate PPF. So, guys, here at Wash Authority, I'm just really happy na we can provide the latest technology for our clients kasi long-term talaga kami mag-isip dito eh. Gusto talaga namin, syempre, pangalagaan yung client namin and of course, pangalagaan yung trabaho namin, di ba? Kasi ganun naman dapat, di ba? Yun yung goal namin here at Wash Authority. So, we're constantly talaga trying to improve the product and the service every day, guys. Every day talaga. So, yun lang, guys. Stay tuned. Today, i-release na namin tong mga naka-polycarbonate PPF and kukontinue natin tong ODRH. And guys, no-note ko lang, here at Wash Authority, since we're really committed to our clients, meron tayong maintenance every year. So, syempre, si client, gagamitin niya yung car. Hindi mo naman masabi kung gaano ka-grabe yung usage ng car. Ibig sabihin, hindi mo alam kung paano yung nature ng business ng client every day. So, here at Wash Authority, we have a free maintenance every year for the first 2 years. So, anong ginagawa namin? Nililinis namin. Just like this Fortuner. 1 year na naka-PPF sa amin ito, guys. So, lahat ng dumi, contaminants, nililinis namin and tinatanggal namin so we can maintain and prolong the life of the paint protection film. And guys, pinakamasaya doon, that is for free, guys. Na kumbaga, tulong at pasasalamat na namin yun sa mga kliyente namin. So yun lang, guys. Dami ko na nasabi, pare. Daldal ko talaga. So yun lang, guys. Again, stay tuned. Transform natin itong ODRA. So guys, bubuksan na namin yung kalamay namin. So ito, nakababad na to sa solution natin for removal ng adhesive. Ito, marireveal na natin yung paint niya underneath. So, brother, Jericho Rosales, ha? Ayan, guys. So, guys, ayan. As you can see, sumasama na yung adhesive niya ng kusa. So, guys, yan na yung paint underneath. So, intact pa rin yung paint natin. No worries tayo sa mga scratches kasi magdi-detail pa naman tayo. And we use a plastic scraper para safe para sa ating paint. So, ayan, guys. Ito yung next process natin. Tatanggalin natin lahat ng adhesive na to. And then, magko-conduct na tayo ng multiple stage polishing. And then, pag okay na lahat, dun pala tayo magpo-proceed sa paint protection film. Alright. So guys, as you can see sa camera, hindi pa siya totally clean, pero nakikita na natin yung pinaka-paint niya. So I'm happy to report na safe and intact yung paint niya. Mind you guys, this paint protection film is way back talaga. As in, sobrang tagal na niya. Imagine mo yung mga paint protection film ngayon, mas magaganda na yung quality, especially dito sa Wash Authority. So, wipe down ko lang. Medyo madikit pa siya kasi meron pang konting adhesive yan, mga white spots na yan. Pero kung wipe down ko siya, as you can see guys, pero guys, we have a fresh paint underneath. So, technically, paint protection film has done its job. Ang napakaganda nito, imagine nyo guys, kung wala tong protection, this is really old sports car. I mean, di naman old, pero matagal na na car. Usually, ang paint, nagpo-fade na pag mga ganitong time. Pero since naka-PPF tayo, technically, na-preserve niya pa rin yung paint. So, konting linis lang to and konting detailing, back to its brand new condition na rin siya agad. Ayan o guys, oh. Ayan. So, guys, di ba question yun lagi ng mga clients, masisira ba yan after some time? Guys, ito sobrang expired na PPF to, no? But if we can properly remove it, we can always safely remove it and mapapakita namin sa inyo dito firsthand by example na paint protection film could protect your car. Yun yung purpose talaga niya. Yun yung purpose, to protect your car throughout the years. So yan guys ha, yan, real world example na to. If on a very long PPF na yung mga first technology na na-release pa ng PPF, mind you na this time mas maganda na yung technology ng paint protection film. So ayan guys, tutuloy na namin to, lilinisin na namin siya, and hopefully, sama kayo, transform natin siya to a much better and of course, brand new condition. Hi guys! So welcome back sa Wash Authority. So natanggal na natin yung adhesive niya. So we're able to show the original clear coat. So guys, pakita ko lang. So si Jan, nagpa-polish na siya dito to remove the mga minor scratches natin. But here's the status of the original color of the car. So guys, kung makita nyo, throughout the years, or in this case, nasa 8 years na, intact pa rin yung clear coat ng car. So yan guys, so, hindi siya nasira, hindi siya na-damage guys. Mind you guys, again, hindi kami gumawa nito. This is from a very old paint protection film. But still, ang paint protection film nagawa niya yung work niya. So, contrary to popular belief or yung mga haka-haka na, oy, baka masira yung paint ko katagalan pag nasira na yung PPF. Hindi po. Kasi there's a proper way to remove paint protection film. And here at Wash Authority, we know how to do that po. We have the expertise and the right solutions, chemicals, techniques, skills to be able to properly remove paint protection film. Guys, ito yung original status ng paint without detailing. So, intact ang clear coat, hindi nasira. At the same time, sinalulat ng old paint protection film, lahat ng damage niya sa environment. And right now, ginagawa lang natin is dinidetail lang natin. Multiple stage polish lang natin to create a brighter paint. Tatanggalin lang natin mga minor imperfections above the clear coat. And after that, guys, i-install na natin to ng black paint protection film. And kung napapansin nyo, hindi namin ginalaw yung kabila to show you the 50-50 difference. Bakan nyo to guys, magandang project to. Right? See you! Guys, here we go. Grabe! Grabe! Sobrang excited ko na ipakita sa inyo yung output natin, yung 50-50 difference after natin siyang installan. So guys, sobrang ganda kasi talaga yan. Sobrang ganda guys. Kaya di ko na kayo papagintayin. Guys, here's the aftermath after we do the removal of the old PPF and installing a black paint protection film for this Audi R8. Charan! So guys, here, makikita nyo na very smooth na yung surface ng paint. Kasi dinetail natin siya kanina, di ba? Napakita namin yung original condition ng paint before any installation of any kind of protection, or in this case, paint protection film. Guys, dahil nilinis natin siya na maigi, tinan nyo yung lapat ng PPF. Sobrang smooth, grabe. Guys, ako personally, sobrang sayo ngayon kasi we're able to transform this kind of cars, no, here at Wash Authority. Tingnan naman natin yung previous condition niya, guys. This is the old PPF. Talagang sobrang sad niya na tingnan. And kung titingnan mo siya, akala mo wala nang chance yung paint. Akala mo magpapa-repaint ka na. Pero hindi po. Underneath is the original paint. All we have to do, properly clean it, remove it, and then we can install a new clear paint protection film. Pero in this case, gusto kasi talaga ni Sir ng black paint protection film. Kaya yun yung nilagay natin. Pero grabe guys, imagine what we can do pag natapos natin yung buong car. Here pa lang, makikita mo talaga, grabe, from this condition and after all the rigorous process, ito na yung output natin. So guys, ano pang hinihintay natin? Tatapusin na natin to para mas magandang Audi R8 ang hinihintay natin dito sa ating episode. Alright? So guys, see you and thank you for watching.